We've been hard at work this summer preparing for your safe return. There will be some new ways of doing things, and we need everyone's help to ensure that we can get through this semester together. Our new policies should sound familiar, as many have also been implemented in industries across the country to help slow the spread of coronavirus and to keep our communities healthy. Be mindful of social distancing on campus, both outside and inside of all buildings. You will notice new signage and other markings to help direct traffic and to remind you to keep your distance, similar to what you may see in your grocery store or other public places. One-way travel patterns are established in high-density campus locations, and waiting areas are marked with 6-foot physical distance signage. We have also installed touchless features in our campus bathrooms, including foot pedals on the doors and automatic sinks and paper towel dispensers to decrease unnecessary high-touch use. In lounge areas, furniture will either be physically distanced or have stickers indicating where you can sit. You will also notice polycarbonate barriers installed at transactional locations. Be sure to maintain a 6-foot separation from others as you walk into your assigned classroom or lab and as you move about the space. Furniture in these spaces will be arranged to provide 6 feet of separation from others, and there will be 6-foot measuring sticks in every room so that distances can be confirmed and adjustments can be made if necessary. But please, don't rearrange the furniture. Everyone will be responsible for disinfecting their work area at the beginning and end of each class. This is true for both students and faculty and applies to desktops, the backs and sides of chairs, and any other workspaces. Disinfectants and hand sanitizers will be provided in every classroom. Since we will be sharing these, it is very important to remember to use hand sanitizer before and after handling the disinfectant container. It is good to spray disinfectant onto hard surfaces before wiping down. Do not spray disinfectant onto electronic equipment. Instead, spray the disinfectant onto a paper towel and use the paper towel to wipe down your computer, the keyboard, phone, and other devices. Remember, you are touching surfaces that are also touched frequently by others. You can protect yourself by washing your hands or using hand sanitizer after doing this. You will need to have a proper face covering on and secured at all times during class. Drinks in covered containers are allowed in classrooms, and should you need a drink, you can briefly remove your face covering and drink. Just be sure to replace your face mask when you're done. Please be aware that food is not allowed in classrooms. At the end of class, the disinfecting materials will be in high demand, and everyone will likely want to use them at the same time. So while our class schedule has been adjusted to allow you more time in between classes, stay true to your Fisher form and think about how you can help one another to make the procedure run smoothly and efficiently, so all surfaces are thoroughly cleaned and disinfected, and everyone can be quickly on their way. Remember, we are a community that takes care of one another, and your cooperation with these new policies will help to keep each other safe, healthy, and together on campus this semester.